Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed and reliable product insights. Today, we're talking about the best Shark NV500 replacement parts on the market. The 2+4 pack vacuum filters replacement compatible with Shark Rotator Pro lift-away models, brought to you by Hechuang. Let's start with the materials and build quality. These filters are made from a high-strength, environmentally friendly material, a combination of foam, polypropylene, and felt. This means durability, better filtration, and overall improved air quality during and after vacuuming. And yes, these filters are completely reusable, which makes them not only eco-conscious but budget-friendly as well. Inside the box, you're getting 4 foam and felt filters along with 2 HEPA filters. That's a complete refresh for your vacuum system, helping it maintain suction power and effectively trap dust, dander, and other airborne particles. If you suffer from allergies or have pets, these filters can make a noticeable difference in your home's air quality. The installation process is super simple. Just remove your old filters, pop these in, and you're ready to roll. No tools, no tutorials, just plug and play. Because these filters match the original Shark specs, there's no need to cut, bend, or modify anything. They slide into place perfectly and perform just like the original parts, if not better. And let's not overlook the HEPA filter quality. It's engineered to capture up to 99.9% of airborne particles, giving you cleaner floors and cleaner air. This makes your Shark vacuum not just a surface cleaner, but a whole home air improvement device. So, whether you're looking to extend the life of your Shark vacuum or just want to keep it performing at its peak, this 2+4 pack filter replacement kit by Hechuang is a smart and practical choice. Thousands of users have made the switch, and once you try them, you'll understand why. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a dependable, high-quality filter replacement for your Shark NV500 series vacuum, this one checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense product breakdowns.